Balcony garden ideas for urban dwellers. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. As urbanization continues to shape our living environments, many city dwellers find themselves in spaces where access to traditional gardens is limited or non-existent. However, the desire to connect with nature and grow plants doesn't have to be compromised. Balcony gardens offer a perfect solution, transforming even the smallest urban spaces into lush, green sanctuaries. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, here are some inspiring balcony garden ideas for urban dwellers. Number 1. Vertical gardens, maximizing space. For those with limited floor space, vertical gardens are a game changer. By growing plants upwards rather than outwards, you can significantly increase your gardening space. Consider using wall-mounted planters, trellises, or even repurposed wooden pallets to create a living wall. Climbing plants like ivy, jasmine, or even tomatoes can thrive in these setups. For a more structured look, modular vertical garden systems are available, allowing for a mix of herbs, flowers, and vegetables in one cohesive design. Number 2. Container gardening, flexibility and variety. Containers are the backbone of any balcony garden, offering flexibility in plant selection and arrangement. Choose pots of varying sizes and shapes to add visual interest. Terracotta, ceramic, or even recycled materials like old cans can be used as containers. Ensure they have proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. From vibrant flowers to aromatic herbs and compact vegetables like peppers or cherry tomatoes, the possibilities are endless. Number 3. Hanging gardens, adding layers. Hanging baskets are an excellent way to add greenery at eye level and above, making the most of your vertical space. They can be suspended from the ceiling, railings, or specially designed stands. Trailing plants like ferns, petunias, or strawberries work beautifully in hanging baskets, creating a cascading effect that adds depth and dimension to your balcony garden. Number 4. Herb gardens, a practical and beautiful addition. Herb gardens are a popular choice for balcony gardeners due to their compact size and usefulness in the kitchen. Basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme are easy to grow and thrive in containers. Grouping herbs together in a large planter or using tiered stands allows you to grow a variety of herbs in a small space. Plus, the scent of fresh herbs will enhance the ambience of your balcony. Number 5. Edible gardens, growing your own food. If you're interested in growing your own food but lack outdoor space, a balcony edible garden is the answer. Compact vegetables like lettuce, radishes, and peppers can be grown in pots. Consider dwarf varieties of fruit trees or berry bushes for a more bountiful harvest. Raised beds or large containers can also support crops like carrots, spinach, or even potatoes. For the best results, ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight, typically 6 to 8 hours a day. Number 6. Miniature fruit trees, urban orchard. Even with limited space, you can enjoy the luxury of fresh fruit by growing dwarf or miniature fruit trees on your balcony. Varieties such as dwarf citrus, fig, or apple trees are perfect for container gardening and can produce a surprising amount of fruit. These trees also add a beautiful focal point to your balcony garden, with their blossoms and fruits providing visual and sensory appeal. Number 7. Succulent gardens, low maintenance and stylish. Succulents are ideal for urban dwellers looking for low maintenance plants. These hardy plants require minimal watering and can thrive in containers of all shapes and sizes. Create a succulent garden by mixing different species in a shallow dish or pot, or by planting them in unique containers like teacups or driftwood. Their sculptural forms and varied colors add a modern touch to any balcony. Number 8. Balcony greenhouse, year-round gardening. For those who are serious about gardening, a balcony greenhouse can extend your growing season and protect plants from harsh weather conditions. Mini greenhouses are available in various sizes, from small tabletop versions to larger, freestanding units. They're perfect for starting seeds, growing tender plants, or housing exotic species that need a controlled environment. Number 9. Creating a relaxing oasis, adding comfort and style. Your balcony garden should be a place where you can relax and unwind. Incorporate comfortable seating, such as a small bistro set, lounge chair, or hammock, to create a cozy spot to enjoy your garden. Add outdoor rugs, cushions, and fairy lights to enhance the ambience. Water features, like a small fountain or bird bath, can also add a soothing element to your balcony garden. Number 10. Sustainability, eco-friendly gardening practices. Urban gardening provides an opportunity to practice sustainability. Use organic soil and fertilizers to keep your plants healthy. Collect rainwater in small barrels or containers to water your plants. Compost kitchen scraps to create nutrient-rich soil. Choose native plants that require less water and are better suited to your local environment. By incorporating these eco-friendly practices, you can reduce your environmental impact while enjoying a thriving garden. Balcony gardens are a wonderful way for urban dwellers to bring nature into their lives, regardless of space constraints. With a bit of creativity and planning, even the smallest balcony can be transformed into a vibrant, green oasis. Whether you're looking to grow your own food, create a relaxing retreat, or simply add a splash of color to your home, these balcony garden ideas can help you make the most of your urban space. If this video is useful to you, remember to like it, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Take good care of your green friends and make sure they stay happy. God bless you, and thanks for your time.